basic request to you is, since it is not mandatory under the law, and as explained by the minister himself, we will come to a conclusion. Compulsory na, आमचे मीटर असतात ते digital meters, they are functioning well. You have never complained to us, nor we have complained to you that they are malfunctioning, and therefore, आमका smart meter naga, smart meter naga, smart meter naga.
See, these smart meters will be based on the mobile technology. आता आम्ही जाणा इतले भुरग्यांक पासून मोबाईल दिवची न्हू म्हणटा कित्याक बिकॉज ऑफ रेडिएशन. सो हे रेडिएशन आतां आमगे घरांत आसतलें इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द मीटर. सो देर इज सो मच ऑफ चान्स दॅट इट वील एफेक्ट आवर हेल्थ. ऑफकोर्स अदर थिंग्स आर कंट्रोल, सर्वेलन्स, हें सगळें थ्रू दॅट स्मार्ट मीटर इट कॅन बी डन, which is not required.
Changing. I said, what are you doing? I started saying, I'm changing the meters. I said, how come you can change the meter without taking our permission? I said, as for me, I don't want this meter. So better do not put it for me. And then after I called our secretary and I asked him, what is this? Without taking any consent, how can they put the meter? He told me that we had already told them and this is what they did. And immediately I put in the message on our group that this is what is happening. Please see to yourselves if you really want it on. And immediately with that noise, the whole complex stopped.
Our doctors and health professionals have also been advising to use lesser and lesser of your mobile phone and to switch it off at night because it has health implications in the long term. So I think we should stick with our old meters and not go ahead with these meters with SIM cards, because especially of this kind of network that it creates around our house and around our living spaces.